Ever wanted to own a tax store? How about work from home and make some real money? Well, now you can do both. One Stop Taxes allows you to start a virtual online tax store and service customers just like the big box stores without the heavy startup costs. Everyone knows timing in business is everything. Some companies pay attention to trends and shifts, and they're able to become industry giants. But some don't see the changes new technology brings and risk becoming dinosaurs. Think about all the things you used to do in person that you now do online. Watch movies, shopping, banking, travel reservations. Well, what do Netflix, Uber, iTunes, and Amazon all have in common? They all replaced the brick-and-mortar businesses and are now the leaders in their industries. Video rental stores, record shops, cab companies, and brick-and-mortar retailers are becoming the dinosaurs. The tax industry is the next big shift. More and more people are becoming more familiar with online commerce and wanting less and less to do with driving to a tax office and waiting in line to get their taxes done. Everyone has to get their taxes done, or at least they're supposed to, right? And One Stop Taxes allows you to participate in a multi-billion-dollar tax industry from the comfort of home and without the expensive startup costs. So why One Stop? Well, we have no upfront cost to get started, free online training and support, cloud-based tax software that's included, no hidden costs. And you can work from home or on the go, using your desktop, laptop, tablet, or mobile device. And you can offer your clients the same incentives as the big box stores. Free e-filing directly to the IRS, same-day loans, and they can choose their refund type. Direct deposit, check, debit card. You're set up just like the big box stores. Versus them, they have huge upfront costs, classroom-only training, and a brick-and-mortar business model that means you have to spend out huge amounts of cash before you can ever make a dollar. So how can we do this? The big box stores spend thousands of dollars on traditional advertising, paying celebrities and actors to try to get customers. One Stop Taxes has a direct-to-the-consumer approach. Basically, we would rather you make the money for getting the customers. So, you may ask yourself, can you do this? Sure, it's easy. Get a PTIN, get trained, get some customers, and get paid. And you make 50% of the tax preparation for all your clients. For example, a $400 tax preparation fee times 50% is $200. And $200 times 50 customers is over $10,000. Not bad for a business that you started for free and only took you a few months to start. So how does it work? Customers download the One Stop app, take a picture of all of their ID and income documents, and send them directly to you. Then you prepare a quote and send it back. From there, they can approve it and sign their return directly in the app. And our compliance team will review the file for accuracy and send it to the IRS to process. And One Stop partners with the industry's top bank to process refunds directly from the IRS to the customer. So you nor the customer ever has to leave home, and you get paid via direct deposit once the IRS releases the return and the fees to the bank. Best of all, you never have to touch the client's money, and you don't have to wait for them to pay you after they receive their return. So let's be clear. There are no sign-up fees, no monthly fees, no kits to buy, no products to order, or auto shipments to fill. Your only upfront cost is $50 for the PTIN, paid directly to the IRS. You can also make some passive income with our Refer a Store program. If you're watching this, chances are you're thinking of a few people that might be great at it. We'll put them on. We'll teach them the ropes, do all the training and support, and you get a 10% bonus for every customer return they do. So, join the hundreds of people who have partnered with One Stop Taxes to open their online tax store. What's next? Visit our website to request a store packet, register for the next training course online, and like us on Facebook. Then start letting everyone you know about your new tax business.